Love is out there. Find it in a Crosstrek. Whether the Crosstrek, Crosstrek Hybrid, or Crosstrek Wilderness, you've chosen a right-sized SUV designed with comfort and capability. With the addition of Genuine Subaru Accessories, you'll be ready for wherever life takes you. Here are just a few of the many Genuine Subaru Accessories now available. Make every adventure even more satisfying with Genuine Subaru Comfort and Convenience Accessories. The Cargo Organizer and Cargo Net keep your gear and personal items organized and secure, while the cargo tray helps keep the cargo area clean and your gear from sliding around. The rear gate assist handle is ideal for owners who require extra height to access the rear gate. Start your vehicle with the remote engine starter and adjust your vehicle's temperature to begin all your travels in comfort. Help dull sun glare and provide UV A and B protection to passengers in the back seat. The upgraded mirror offers multiple functions. It darkens automatically to protect your eyes from headlight glare. It can be programmed to operate select home functions and also features an 8-point digital compass. From a trip around town, a journey along the highway, or an adventure on a road less traveled, prepare for every possibility with Genuine Subaru Protection and Security Accessories. Body side molding, door edge guards, splash guards, and mud flaps help protect the exterior of your Subaru, while front seat covers and the rear seat back protector add additional protection to the interior of the vehicle. All-weather floor liners help protect the interior carpet from spills, dirt, and moisture. Heighten the excitement on every excursion with Genuine STI accessories. Upgrade the interior with the cherry red STI starter switch, an STI leather shift knob crafted with leather, red stitching, and a metallic accent. The STI roof spoiler adds a sporty touch to the exterior, and STI alloy wheels add a perfect blend of attitude and style. Your Crosstrek is designed to explore and styled to stand out. Express your own personality with Genuine Subaru style accessories. Illuminate the dark corners of the front floor area. Elevate the interior with bright white LED lighting. Enhance illumination in the cargo area for better visibility with the rear gate light. And illuminated side sill plates feature a unique landscape and Crosstrek logo in bright white lighting. When your adventures require next-level gear, add Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories to bring what you need to do everything you love. Install the fixed, Aero, or Aero Extended crossbar set to increase your cargo carrying capabilities. Use in conjunction with the Thule heavy-duty roof cargo basket, cargo carrier, or cargo carrier extended for extra rooftop storage. For excursions on the water, carry your kayak, or your paddleboard, or bring along your skis or snowboards for winter adventures. The rooftop tent by Thule provides more living space to transform your vehicle into a home away from home. And the Thule awning gives shelter from the sun and rain while expanding your outdoor living space. Carry your bikes above with the roof-mounted bike carrier or fork-mounted bike carrier. Haul your bikes behind you with the hitch-mounted bike carrier, available with either 2-bike or 4-bike capacity, or with the hitch platform bike carrier. Stay connected around every curve with the wireless charger, or with Genuine Subaru USB charging cables. Bring your furry family along to make every adventure complete. Genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories help keep them safe and comfortable during all your travels together. Buckle up your dog in the pet harness, or the pet carrier and mobile pet bed, both crash-tested and certified by the Center for Pet Safety. And the collapsible pet kennel safely secures your dog in the cargo area. Give your dog easier access to enter and exit the vehicle with the pet ramp, and help keep the interior protected from nail scratches, pet hair, muddy paws, and dog drool with the seat cover rear. Pet-friendly padded seat protector, pet rear door protector, and console lid protector. Thanks for taking the time to see an assortment of genuine Subaru accessories that are now available. Be sure to talk to your sales consultant to learn about the full line of genuine Subaru accessories and how they can be included in your monthly payment plan to reduce upfront expenses.